Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a payment with Best Buy rewards credit. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you have to come to this page. You just have to go to google.com. And here you just have to search for Best Buy rewards credit, and here you just have to click on the first link and you should be redirected to this page. So if you have already got your Best Buy rewards credit card, you just have to click on manage account, and then you can just load your credit card with funds, and then you can just make purchases from bestbuy.com or the Best Buy application on your Android or iOS device. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. This is how you add funds to your Best Buy card and make payments through it. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.